cutout and the hand cutout on the cardboard piece so that it looks like a human being, a human model. The hand cutout used should be made little long so that it can be used to close the mouth of the human model we created. Once more, how do we sneeze?
Achoo.
Okay, very good.
Achoo.
Achoo. Very good.